the motherboard. And to spare your motherboard. And you switch your motherboard and then remove the IC chips. My brother, if you look here, so my brother, if you look here, I removed the IC chip. This is IC chip. We have a difference between IC chip. We have a 14. We have a P 4986. We have a P 8342. We have a P different IC. This IC 14 P 8947. So my brother, if you look here, I have a many different IC chips. How do you know that the IC chip and this one are the same? It's better look very well. If you look here very well, you have many names and number, because IC don't swear. If IC don't swear, using your funnel, if you look your funnel well, we have many notes indicated for here. So my brother, if you want to know more information, subscribe my channel at YouTube. I want to show you that how you want to learn repair computer hardware and software. Thank you for watching my video, my brothers. So if you want to continue, please, how we piece the IC, so more subscribe my channel is better. Your email load is already in your phone, so don't just subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.